Hey everyone, looking to convert USDC to USDT on Binance? Here's how can you do it in just a few steps. First of all, open your Binance app and log into your account. Tap Trade at the bottom. Then select Convert for a fast and simple exchange. Now choose USDC as the currency you are converting from and USDT as the currency you want to receive. Enter the amount of USDC you want to convert. Now tap Preview Conversion or Trade to check the exchange rate. If the rate looks good, tap Convert or increase USDC to complete the transaction instantly. And finally, go to Wallets. Select Spot to confirm that your USDT is now available. And that's it. You have successfully converted USDC to USDT on Binance. Like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.